Recently occurred to me, and by recently I mean as on the day of this recording, which is April 20th, 2025, last night, April 19th, 2025, that I can, so this is a personal reflection here, but of course apply it to yourself, either keep my victim story and not taking responsibility for certain things, or I can have everything I ever wanted. And there's no both here. It's either one or the other. So I can either keep my victim story, and I don't have a victim story with everything. It's just when life gets hard, or certain people or certain situations don't pan out the way I think they could or I wanted them to, I can either keep the story about how I'm a victim and how it's not my responsibility, or how this person not believing in me disabled me from taking action, and not have everything I ever wanted, or can get rid of that story, take responsibility for my thoughts, my beliefs, and before any of that, which frankly does not matter at all, my actions, and have everything I ever wanted. And it was such a painful, so painful to look at younger me and essentially have to tell him that the only reason you have not been able to get what you want is because I have failed to take responsibility for my actions, my thoughts, my emotions, etc. So my friend, please let this be a very strong wake-up call to you that wherever you are in your journey, none of it matters if you're only taking responsibility for some things when they're convenient or when you feel motivated. Every single thing in your life may not have been in the past your fault, your responsibility. I get that. Same here. We all had tough childhoods. We all have and had and still have people who don't believe in us. Sometimes even people who are sending you malicious intent. Which we're not even going to go there today. We all have our doubts. We all have our fears. We all have our stories. But please rise above those and realize that you're not responsible. You were not responsible for them. You are now if you let them hold you back. That is your responsibility. Period. And I thought I was past this, but I really was not. And it was such a hard, humbling, like ego-destroying wake-up call last night to realize, speaking with my partner Esty, that I blamed her for so much. And the fact is, some of it may have been true. I may have felt unsupported in various cases, but it doesn't matter. Like, the essence of it is you don't need someone to believe in you in order to take action to realize your dream. You need to believe in yourself. That's it. And before, even maybe after believing in yourself, let your actions be a statement of belief. Forget about the words. Let the actions show you and show the world what you're actually about. Like, if you couldn't say a damn thing, you couldn't tell anyone what you're gonna do or what you think or what you feel or what you believe. And the only way you could express your goals, your desires, is actions. What actions would you hold yourself accountable and responsible for taking, and on the flip side, for not taking anymore? It's like that phrase, don't talk about it, be about it. And my friend, my dear friend, something I'm doing as a matter of recording this video is taking full responsibility. And it's interesting, I feel resistant to tell you, because I don't necessarily want to talk about it, I want to be about it. So let's hold each other accountable in spirit to taking full responsibility for everything we thought. Like, for example, I just want to give you one example before I go. It is almost a universal fear here it is. Fear of judgment, fear of what other people think, fear of what other people may say, fear of their criticism, fear of their not supporting you. Just fear of judgment in general, and there's a lot of subcategories of fear of judgment. And we can look at others and low-key blame them for saying, oh, they're judging me, I'm not going to do this. That's blaming. You are taking your power, you're giving it to them, you're saying, I blame you for my inability to do this thing. No more of that. So let's hold each other accountable, saying, we are going to, and we are, taking full responsibility for everything we think, feel, and most importantly, do or don't do. I believe that's it for the video today, my friend. I love you. I'm with you. I'm supporting you. Encourage you to believe in yourself. Let your actions be a projection to yourself and the world that you do. I'll speak with you soon. And, by the way, if you want to join a group where people like you, people like me are doing this, the link is in the description. Feel free to come join us. But that is all. Have an amazing rest of your day. It's a beautiful 60-something degree day here at Harvard Law School. I'll see you soon. Continue to be unexpected. Peace.